What's up everyone, Kevin11 here, and today we're diving into a topic that's super relevant in today's market: why stocks are a better investment than crypto. Look, I get it, crypto seemed like the future, and sure, some people made a ton of money seemingly overnight, but when you really break it down, stocks have a track record of building wealth that's tough to beat. We're going to look at 5 key reasons why that is, and I'm even going to share some inspiring stories of people who became millionaires through smart stock investing. Alright, before we get into the nitty-gritty of why stocks are a more stable investment, I want to share a story with you. Now, this isn't about getting rich quick, but it illustrates the potential of smart stock investing. Back in 2017, I decided to invest a significant chunk of my portfolio in Amazon. Yeah, the same Amazon we all know and love for next-day delivery. At the time, Amazon was already doing well, but I saw their cloud computing platform, AWS, as a game changer. It was a calculated risk, but I believed in their long-term vision. Over the next 3 years, Amazon's stock price more than tripled. I'm talking life-changing gains, guys. This wasn't luck. It was about researching a company with a solid business model, understanding market trends, and having a bit of patience. This experience solidified my belief in the power of stocks. It showed me that by investing in companies building the future, you could too. And that's just one example. We'll dive into more success stories later on. Now let's talk about stability. Crypto, for all its hype, is incredibly volatile. One day you're up 20%, the next you're down 30%. It's an emotional roller coaster that's not for the faint of heart, and definitely not ideal for long-term wealth building. Stocks, on the other hand, are like the tortoise in the race against the hare. They're slow, steady, and reliable. While you might see day-to-day fluctuations in the market, over the long term, stocks have consistently trended upwards. Think about it. The S&P 500, which tracks the performance of 500 large companies, has historically returned an average of 10% per year. That's not a guarantee, of course, but it shows the power of compounding returns over time. With stocks, you're buying a piece of a company, a tangible asset that represents ownership. This inherent value provides a level of stability that just doesn't exist in the unregulated world of crypto. Look, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm a big believer in learning from the past. And when it comes to investing, history tells a clear story. Stocks have consistently outperformed pretty much every other asset class over the long term. We're talking decades of data here, folks. From the Great Depression to the dot-com bubble to the 2008 financial crisis, stocks have weathered every storm and come out on top. This historical performance is directly tied to the underlying growth of the global economy. When businesses thrive, their stock prices rise, and investors reap the rewards. Crypto, on the other hand, simply doesn't have the track record to compete. It's a relatively new asset class, and its future is still uncertain. Let's talk about regulations, something a lot of crypto enthusiasts seem to dislike. But here's the thing, regulations exist to protect investors. The stock market is heavily regulated by institutions like the Securities and Exchange Commission, which enforces rules to ensure transparency and fairness. This means companies have to disclose their financial information, making it easier for investors to make informed decisions. Crypto, however, operates in a largely unregulated space. This lack of oversight can lead to scams, manipulation, and a general lack of transparency. Remember all those rug pull stories you heard about? Yeah, not exactly confidence-inspiring. When you invest in stocks, you're playing on a level playing field with a clear set of rules. This regulatory framework might seem boring, but it's crucial for building trust and stability in the market. Now let's get back to those millionaire stories I promised. We already talked about my Amazon win, but I'm not the only one who's achieved financial freedom through stocks. Take Warren Buffett, for example. The Oracle of Omaha built his multi-billion-dollar fortune through long-term, value-oriented stock investing. Or how about Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, the world's largest hedge fund? Dalio's investment philosophy, which focuses on understanding economic cycles, has generated incredible returns for his investors. And it's not just Wall Street titans who are winning with stocks. Everyday people, just like you and me, are achieving their financial goals through smart investing. Remember, these success stories aren't about getting rich quick. They're about patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. So there you have it, 5 reasons why stocks are a better investment than crypto. From their historical performance and stability to the regulatory framework that protects investors, stocks offer a proven path to building wealth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Crypto might seem exciting, but for those seeking long-term financial security, stocks are the way to go. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or else